Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. And in this video, another trade breakdown video for you guys, how I scalped in the pre-market NRGV. So we finally are starting to see some momentum. And I could not be happier for that. And going into a 3-day weekend with, finally seeing some momentum. So great to see. We started to see it yesterday. In the middle of the day, stocks started to pop. And since there hasn't been much momentum, all the other day traders jumped on it. So that was very good to see. And hopefully it continues. The only thing I don't like is that these all sold off. So yesterday we saw ISPO. This one absolutely ripped. I mean, unbelievable move. From 11 to 108. This type of action will get so many day traders to come off of the sidelines, but it did not hold up. Not what I like to see the next day, which is today. This just sold off. It held its levels going into the pre-market and then just sold off. And then we had ANGH. This one yesterday as well made an epic move. Awesome momentum to see. Very nice. You see the volume. You see a lot of other day traders, momentum traders, just loving the action. But it didn't hold up. So this morning, what I traded was NRGV. This also was continuation from yesterday. That same time that we saw those other stocks pop up, this one popped up, came back down, and then into the after hours, kind of popped up again and held its level very nicely going into the pre-market when I traded it. Now, I'll show you guys. This is my layout on Thinkorswim. I have my news here, but this was not a news play. This was a trade specifically on continuation from yesterday. And I'll show you here. This is our Discord. This is potential continuation plays, yesterday's top gainers. You guys can find this type of stuff. I think this is from FinViz. I post it every day. ANGH was the leading gainer yesterday. And there you go. NVCT was the second top gainer on the day. So what I like to do is I always put those on watch for continuation the next day. When you see something that moved up so much, other traders are going to keep that stock on watch for the next day. So now I'll bring it into the bigger chart. When I see this popping up at 7 a.m., absolutely love to jump on that momentum because I know a lot of other traders, feeling that FOMO from yesterday, missing some, big moves. These are all recent IPOs. They don't have much history, by way of trading. So if we look at this on the daily chart, you can see here, that's the highest we've been. So just trading recent IPOs like this and these blue sky setups are a lot of fun, especially when they get this type of attention. So my entrance at 707, after seeing this huge push up to 1650, at that point, I am waiting for that 1 minute pullback. It pulls back. I get in for $1 a share less. I minimize my risk. We're over VWAP. We're on a continuation stock. I saw the volume pouring in. Everything about this, I felt comfortable jumping in. Now, did I go in with 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares? No. I went in with 300 shares. If you guys watched my video yesterday, these are the times to minimize risk. And that's what I did. We saw the move here and I scaled out. Totally happy with just scaling out and getting a little more than $1 a share in profit. So $420, and I was only in the trade for about 5 minutes. So that is, typically what I like to do. Now, did I leave money on the table? You bet I did. With scalping, but that's $6 a share extra in profit. That's $1,800. You're never going to get the top. You're never going to get the bottom. I like to scalp higher probability trades, getting in and out of the market as fast as possible before this type of action. This type of action at 7:30 in the morning is just horrible. That is not what you want to see. But getting in on the front side, getting in where the other traders are feeling that FOMO, that's what I want to take advantage of. I don't care if I sold it too early. I still, made $420 in 5 minutes. And in this market, that is what I want to do, because then it just sold off for the rest of the day. Just like the market is selling off as well. This stock market has been not great. Not great at all. We're coming back to previous lows in the S&P that we hit, a few weeks ago. So this is more of a nice trend, though, making lower lows, lower highs. This is more of a trending market, a market that you can, take advantage of a little bit easier than that choppiness. So this is only one day. Let's not get crazy, but it is a great way to end the week and to go into a 3-day weekend with this really, really nice momentum trade under the belt. And I hope that you guys also got a piece of the action, even though it looks like it did not last long. There may have been other stocks that popped up after I shut it down. Like I said yesterday, one trade, done, got green, and got out of the market. So hit the thumbs up for the video. And if you're new, subscribe. If you want to join our Discord, come on in. The link is in the description. And that's it. See you back on the next video. Take care, guys.